tas lang nga Barrio Fiesta at the place of the Sawadans, the Lopez Sales and then Paulina Sawadan. Ijay, we spent the night. There were cultural festivities. We danced up in Nanyuan, Ijay. Then there were consultation, tungtungan. And on our way back,
Ay, so paawit kayo dyan.
nagpaawid kami Ijayan. Kuna ta inbati mi kami jay Nissan Patrol mi jay service car ti government nga red plate. Ijay kwata rough road kami niya.
Road.
Horse trail lang ken pa. Kuna dakat ay kabalyo kayo usarin jay kabalyon ta kwa magmagna kami. So we mounted 4 horses. Mrs. Sawadan, my boss, Dangilan, our driver, and plus myself. So we had a headway. Tapos si Marsarunong lang nagdabalweg. We passed through a reeds nga ken adati ko forested area. So I had this intuition nga adatalang nagijay kalaban da balweg. Han ko nga kalaban da balweg. So nga I wore a tourist hat. Nag-short panak na makita lang medyo napulaw kat ahan nga kwalito hanya kalaban dito turista dito kanada. And then I sport my camera and then I really made myself noticeable. Kahit ang asawan nagkankanta pa ijay. Kankanta ti country songs, Rhinestone Cowboy, tapno agyudel pa yudel. Because if you are a combatant, you do not do that.
Yes.
You don't. So I made myself noticed by and then gayam moments after sumarsaro siguro diyan kilometer away lang siguro nga the headway mi. Diyan nga naratrat 8 perished. And it included the Gijay top men ni Conrado Balweg.
Was there a media personality?
Dati media nga kadwa na babae.
Oh my God.
Yeah, babae.
Yeah.
So that yung nagkaradap lang. And then I came to encounter that lady, Claire Agbayani. Din. And then nag-istorya kami. Han na nga kahit nga i-chronicle nga ito. Medyo na-trauma na kahit nga maisurat ka lang din. But then, siya nag-istorya.
Until now.